Welcome. This is Noble, and you are at Noble Transformation Hub, world's number one YouTube channel. So we'll go to see also section AI. So where we'll go deeper into, we'll see what other aspects of AI are there and they are touching. So kindly subscribe the YouTube channel if you have not. Also write in the comment section what have you learned, how you're going to implement this knowledge, and what else you want to know about artificial intelligence and future skills. Thank you so much. Let's go to this section. See also AI Rising is a English language Serbian science fiction film. You can see that also, and you will understand more. AI control problem in artificial intelligence AI philosophy. The AI control problem is the issue of how to build super intelligent agent that will aid its creators. Avoid inadvertently building a super intelligent that will harm the creator. Okay, that is AI control problem. Artificial intelligence arm race. So more broadly, any competition for super AI is sometimes framed an arm race. Okay, so that's where you can go and explore it. Artificial intelligence, general intelligence is hypothetically ability of an intelligent agent to understand and learn any intellectual task that being can. It is primarily goal of some artificial intelligence research and a common topic in science fiction and future studies. AGI can also be referred to as strong AI or general intelligent action. So these you have to like go and do the research on these things so you'll understand AI from a deeper perspective. Okay, behavior selection algorithm, what it is. In artificial intelligence, a behavior selection algorithm or action selection algorithm is an algorithm that selects appropriate behavior or action for one or more intelligent agent. Okay, and in the game, artificial intelligence is selects behaviors action for one or more player character. Common behavior selecting algorithm includes finite state machines, hierarchical finite state machines, decision trees, behavior trees, hierarchical task network, hierarchical control system, utility systems, a dialogue tree for selecting what to say. Okay, these are behavioral selection algorithms. This is how they behave. Business process automation. In business process automation, BPA, also known as business automation or digital transformation, is the technology enabled automation of complex business processes. It can streamline a business for simplicity, achieving digital transformation, increases service quality, improves service delivery, contains cost. It consists of integrating application, restructuring labor resources, and using software application throughout the organization. Robotic process automation is an emerging field within BPA. So this is one of the field you can go and check it. Okay, and case-based reasoning. Case-based reasoning has been formalized for purpose of computer reasoning as a fourth step process. Retrieval, you need to like retrieval is gives target problem retrieving from memory cases relevant to solving it. A case consists of problem, its solution. Typically, auto annotations about how the solution was derived. For example, let's see the example how it works. Suppose Fred wants to prepare blueberry pancakes. Being a novice cook, the most relevant experience he can recall is one in which he successfully made pancakes. Okay, the procedure he followed for making pancakes, together with justification for decisions made along with the way, constituting Federer's retrieval case. So this is how retrieval works. There's an example. reuse. The map of solution for the previous case to the target problem. This may involve adopting the solution as needed to fit the new situation in the pancake. For example, Frederick must adopts his retrieved solution to include the addition of blueberries. Okay, this is how he will reuse the information. Revise. Having mapped the previous solution to the target solution, test the new solution in the real world or as simulation, and if necessary, revive. Suppose Frederick adopted the pancake solution by adding blueberries to the batter. After mixing, he discovered that the batter has turned blue and undesired effect. This suggests the following revision. Delay in the addition of blueberries until after the batter has laid into pan. So this is how he will revise. He will change it. Okay, retain. After the solution has been successfully adopted to the target problem, store the resulting experience as a new case in memory. Frederick accordingly records of his new founded procedure for making blueberry pancake, therefore enriches his set of stored experience and better preparing him for future pancake making demand. So he retains this experience and then he uses. Similarly, like case-based reasoning, when we do algorithm, we plan, we make any applications. So when we follow this procedure in writing programs, so this is what happens: retrieval, reuse, revise, and retain. Okay, this is how it is used in programs and AI application. Citizen science: 10 principles of citizen science. So in the next video, we'll go and understand citizen science, 10 principles of citizen science, and then we'll move on to other sections. So thank you so much, guys. Kindly subscribe the YouTube channel if you have not, and write down in the comment section what have you learned, how you're going to implement it, and if you have any other questions about artificial intelligence and future skills. Thank you so much. Thanks.